where do thoughts come from? When we manage to slow our mind, we can see the randomness of thoughts that arise. Where do these thoughts come from, and why are we ruled by them so strongly? Actually, thoughts are not really different from our mind. It's part of our mind. You know, like the sun has its rays. You cannot have a sun without its rays, and the rays are part of the sun. You cannot have a sea without its waves, and the waves are part of the sea. So therefore the thoughts, emotions, sensations, perceptions, all these, part of the mind. It's, it's not different. But because we don't see clearly how our mind is, what's the true nature of our mind, therefore it becomes a problem. We see it says something out there, something good, something bad, something right, something not right, and we react to them, and then it becomes a problem. It becomes a struggle. It becomes then that becomes a habitual tendency to react. With this is nice, then I need it, I want it, I run after. This is not nice, then I don't want it, I run away from, and that struggle becomes so much of a habitual tendency that it becomes our addiction. And those emotions and thoughts, and they enslave us, they control us, and difficult to get out of it. But if we understood the true nature of our mind, and then all those thoughts, emotions, whatever arisings, they become wisdom. So therefore then it doesn't become any problem. So actually, from Buddhist point of view, thoughts are not a problem. Arisings are not a problem. It's how we understand them is the problem. If we misunderstand them, if we react in the wrong way, if we perceive in the wrong way, then it becomes a problem. If we see it in the true light as it is, then they are the wisdom. So there is nothing called wisdom. 5 wisdoms and all this kind of things is that. So therefore that is not a problem. Then you become enlightened. Enlightenment is actually nothing less, nothing more than truly understanding what we are, what everything is, what our thoughts, emotions, everything is. Then, when we become enlightened, or we have that clarity, actually nothing changes. Nothing goes away. Nothing we gain that we have not before, but our perception changes. And that's why, then you become enlightened. And that's why we say we have the Buddha nature, because all those things are already there now, but we don't understand, we don't know, we don't perceive, we don't experience the way we are. That becomes the problem. Thank you very much.